Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to quick and easily hide your Facebook friends list from the public or anyone who you select. First, let's go into the Facebook app. Then you're going to select the three dashes in the bottom right hand corner. Then from there you're going to scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Hold on. Yeah. Select the three dashes, scroll down, then select Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Give it a second. Then you're going to scroll down to the bottom. Then you select Privacy and Settings. And there you'll see who can see your friends list. At the moment mine is set on public. You would select it. Then you can select only your friends or friends accept. And then you can suggest you can remove the person that you don't want to see it. Or you could select only me or only a certain specific friend. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.